Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Susan, and I'm here to read a story with you. So you sit up straight, and we're going to get started with Splat the Cat, the Big Helper. Family meeting, Splat's father called from upstairs. We're a very busy family, Dad said. We all need to pitch in. So I've made a list of daily to-dos for you to check off each day. A to-do list, said Splat. He had a bad feeling about this. Splat's jobs were to make his bed, put away his toys, and water the plants. But Splat sputtered, "That'll take forever. If you do your little part," said Dad, "it'll be a big help." Splat and Seymour went back to playing their game. After a half hour, Seymour pointed to the to-do list. "We can do them later," Splat replied. "New rule," Mom declared, "no television or video games until everything is checked off your list." "Aw," Splat moaned. Splat went to his room. It was a total mess. "Let's get this over with so we can get back to our game, Seymour," he said. See, does that look like your room? Splat made his bed. He put away his toys. Then he watered his plants. Oh, that wasn't so bad. "All done," Splat said proudly. "Is this really your bed?" Dad said, shaking his head. "But it will take forever," whined Splat. "You know how they say that time flies when you're having fun?" Splat's dad said. Splat nodded. He sure did. So make it fun, Splat decided to try. This time, when Splat made his bed, he imagined he was fishing in the ocean. His pillow turned into a giant shark, and everything else on the floor became a different fish or a sea monster. Yeah. When he cleaned up his toys, Splat imagined that he was a pirate. Each toy was a jewel or a gold coin, and his toy box was a treasure chest. When he watered his plant, he pretended he was a jungle explorer. Yeah, look at that. "All done," said Splat. "Great job, Splat," Splat's dad said. "Now you can play with your video game," added his mom. Oh, and they were so proud of him. As Splat sat down to play his video game, he noticed a few things that needed to be put away. "I'll be right back, Seymour," he said. "I've got to go on a quick Arctic expedition." He never imagined helping out could be so much fun. And he got his room cleaned up. And that's our story of Splat the Cat, the Big Helper.